In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit display and brightness. Then scroll again, but this time click on font settings. Now operate this slider to adjust your font size and checkout preview at the top. When you're ready, go back and all of your changes will be applied automatically. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!